Taco Tuesday. I'm back with another mukbang. Truck bang challenge. Come get you some. Bussin', 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 bussin'. Let's get it. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. You got to trust the Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin', 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 bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin', bussin'. It is what it is. You hear me? Hey, me. I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, we got some loaded tacos today on behalf of Taco Tuesday, and this is a virtual collab with Jaz&Jarrell VS. So this gonna be Gilmo versus these 6 tacos. We gonna see if I can eat them. Since y'all say I got a baby stomach, whatever. Yeah, Jaz&Jarrell, they asked me for a collab. I said, okay, let's get it in. Cause y'all, they kinfolk. And we gotta take care of the kinfolk. You know what I'm talking about? So, we're gonna eat these tacos, all 6 of them. We're gonna talk a little bit, and we finna get it in. Come get you some. Hey, man. Let's go ahead and knock these on now. Number 1, this round one right here. This round one. I thought it'd be more crunch action. We got the nacho cheese shells. Okay. I hit that like 1, 2, 3. Like the owl did in the Tootsie Roll. That was light work. I knocked that taco out like Nate Robinson got knocked out this weekend. Okay? He did. He sent me talking all that junk. We got a Coldest water bottle on deck. Nigga in the description, use Lilgilmoeats. Discount code, say 10% off your entire purchase. Coldest water bottle. Go get you one. And put a little sauce on this thing. Give it some bite. Give it some bite on a couple of them. Jaz&Jarrell, like I said, they kinfolk. They said, Gilmo, man, we been watching your videos, man. We been down with you. I said, okay. He said, hey, man, how about we do a collab? I said, it is what it is, kinfolk, let's get it in. Okay. I said, what we eating? Hold on, let me finish this taco. This taco busting. This taco busting on all type of loaded homemade taco levels. You hear me? Pass round 2. Nate Robinson didn't get that far. It's cold, man. I had this Coke Zero right here for about 3 hours. It's still cold. I should put it in for 3 days. I said, okay, Jarrell, what we eating? He said, hey, we was thinking about, you know, either burgers or steak. I said, okay, but that's a big difference. You got burgers or steak. You got $5. versus 25. Negro, which one we doing? So I know whether to just go get it or save up for it. Which one we doing, Negro? Because I don't eat prime. I only eat prime steaks. Ooh. I forgot about the cheese sauce. I ain't sounding bougie or nothing, but I can't be eating no tough, tasteless steak. Like the economy cut or whatever. Ripping my teeth out my guns, I can't do it. He said, well, how about some tacos? I said, okay, that's good enough. No, he said, how about some nachos? Some loaded nachos. I said, okay. I'd be like, I just go to Taco Bell, get me a party pack, see if I can eat it. I'll be another challenge. Because, you know, it's Jaz&Jarrell versus. I hope that's what they mean. I never did ask them. It's like versus food or versus whoever come up on them. Versus whoever they do a collab with. We can get it in right anyway. And then he said, how about we do some tacos on a Tuesday? I said, Taco Tuesday! Okay. Yeah, I will check them out. They do mukbang, food challenges. I even seen a video today they did on what do you call it? Reaction video on music videos. I said they do it all, don't they? Something hot. Something hot. If you see that last challenge, you see Jarrell, something hot. You see Jarrell did the double Chick-fil-A challenge. And he ate them double Chick-fil-A's in like 3 minutes. Everything was finished in 6, but he ate each sandwich with 2 fillets on them in like 1.5 minutes each. Good Lord. He had to take time to drink something. That's what hold him back, and the macaroni. I seen another video where they was eating loaded hot dogs. And I'm glad they had a title in there, because if you wouldn't have known what they was eating, you would have thought Jarrell was eating Crystal Pups. The little crystal corn dog, little small crystal pups. To be like this, that small, that's how he was eating them hot dogs. I said, boy, you can eat. You can eat good, boy. How y'all doing today, kid folk? It's everything. Copacetic. Oh man, that's good. That's real good. I'm gonna lick my thumb, my whole thumb went down my throat. Jarrell would have been finished this. He would have been finished this. Round 4. Nate Robinson, he wouldn't even think about round 4. But I looked a little sleepy. I went and had my second follow-up after my surgery today. They put me on some steroids. Talking about for pain or whatever. They kept bringing up pain. I'm like, nigga, I ain't never said my eye was hurting. My eye don't hurt. I think he meant because it looking sleepy again. Give it some steroids to pump it up, to wake it up a little bit. Because I ain't saying nothing about no pain. He just kept talking about food. Let's get rid of the discomfort. Negro, the other thing that's giving me discomfort, you talking about pain. They talking about such and such, blah, blah, debris. Just some debris behind the lens. In my head, I'm like, these Negroes done left some trash in my eye. Where they get trash from? Huh? They tripping. Shout out to the check-in nurse though, the one that tested my pressure and all that. That's a little pretty little thing. I ain't gonna lie. She's so nice to be. You see her laughing at all my jokes. I ain't see no ring on her finger. But then you start thinking like, she's so pretty, so nice, she smells so good. She's sitting there with me just laughing and talking. I want to shoot my shot. I say, no. Why she ain't married? She got a boyfriend? Why he ain't married her yet? Cause she look, I'm just saying, she got a nice personality too. Anyway. Oh, what she say? She said, you ever look at the artificial lens in your eye in the mirror? I said, no. She said, why? I said, cause it's an artificial lens in my eye. I don't want to see that. I want to forget it's there. Okay. That went pretty good. I gotta take some steroids. And it is looking a little lazy, Kinfo. I'm finna get my shades again. Wake up, Negro. Wake up. It sure will. That's giving, it's like I'm giving y'all the side eye. They're just trying to go to sleep. I'm tripping. Wake up. Okay. Too late now. Yeah. Jarrell probably ate like 13 tacos by now. That loaded hot dog video. Yeah. Where my trays at? I ain't got no right here. And this I just taking a nap. That loaded hot dog video, they got their own personal hot dog. He kept saying, you wanna taste mine? She said, yeah, I'll taste it. And she's like, you wanna taste mine? She said, yeah, I'll taste it. And then he started stealing her hot dog. You don't wanna taste this? She said, no. He said, well, I'm gonna taste yours. That's it, man, he eating his white hot dog. Shut up, boy. They should have had some sausage dogs. I'm getting full. But I was in there though. UPS man came in there. I used to work with him. Okay. But I wasn't doing video when I used to work with him. He came in there. He said, what's up, bro? I said, what's up, man? What's going on? He said, man, I be checking out the video, man. They funny, man. You doing your thing. Boy, all them old senior citizen Caucasus people was in there like, turn around, looking. My chest did like this. I say, appreciate you, bro. Like somebody had a little hole right there and just blew some air up in my chest. I take it. I say, appreciate you. You can't vote now. On the other side of that, I was at work watching Trent Eats video when she ate that taco. When she ate them, she had some tacos. She had some birria, queso birria tacos. Hey, I like that video. I like that video. And then I was looking at her newest video with Man, I want to really tell you what we was doing when she was doing that. When we was looking at her video, and me and two homeboys was looking at her video. Then I'm gonna skip past that. I ain't know a woman could make a taco look sexy, boy, but she did it anyway. We was looking at her new video with the was it Five Guys she was eating? I think it was Five Guys. Or In-N-Out. I think it was In-N-Out. Her latest one, Trini's, go check out. And she was quite impressive in that one too. But then this new girl was talking about, how did people, is this all they do? And she didn't know I did it. She didn't know I did mukbang. She said, this all they do? Man, that's stupid. Hey, you talk about my clothes, you can talk about my Roscoe's. You ain't finna talk about my videos. You ain't finna talk about what I do, what you ain't gonna do. Actually, she wasn't really talking about me, but kinda snapped on her. He talking about, that's stupid. I said, well, you gotta eat. But who wanna watch somebody eat? I mean, we've been watching you eat all night. Only thing missing is the video camera, cause all you do is eat. I said it in my head. But see, Thomas and them, they looked at me because they knew I was finna say something. So I say, hold on, Thomas. I got to say something in my head. So I feel better. Because, you know, it really wouldn't be right. But she better shut her mouth. Because they was like, no, David do that. He do that. I said, yeah, I do that. She said, oh. And then she walked off. I said, Thomas, can I say it? Thomas, can I say it? She been mukbanging all night without the camera. Can I say it? All she do is eat. She about to get fired because she got all these people groceries disappearing. She said, no, David. Okay. She got one more time. That's all I'm saying. She got one more time. You talking about my dog if I had one. But I'm not talking about no mukbang around me. I'm true to this. I'm true to it. Oh. Hey, Kool-Aid! Oh yeah! You know I had to have a backup. Oh yeah. Hey, next video, shades. Okay. Boy, I'm finna go cuss this eye out. You hear me? First video without the shades a couple days ago, I was straight. This one, boy, it look like this eye done went out. This eye done went out drinking. It's hung over. I've been looking for these here. I guess I should have warmed them up a little longer. Made them a little more crispier. But they'll do. I can't see myself eating a regular shell ever again. So go check out Jaz&Jarrell. Maybe one day you'll see Jarrell eat a whole cow. And I'm serious. He eat hot dogs like Tic Tacs. He eat chicken sandwiches. He eat double Chick-fil-A sandwiches like Crystal Burgers. He told me I was hungry. I had ate all day. Negro, neither do I sometimes. And I don't eat Whoppers like M&M's. I don't. You got a talent, bruh. You got a real talent. And go check them out, kinfolk. Jaz&Jarrell VS. They're quite impressive. And that was the last bite. And the last bite was the best bite ever. Gilmo 1, them 6 tacos 0. I'm full. I'm about to roll on out of here. I'm about to keep it moving. You hear me? Hey, let me get this. Ooh, something spicy. I think it's that cheese. Let me get this hug from you. Appreciate you, Jaz&Jarrell versus. That's the title now. Jaz&Jarrell versus. Go check them out. Cause the kinfolk, go look at it. Without struggle, there is no victory. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody. I need them cheat codes, man. I really need them cheat codes. Somebody DM me tonight, tell me, ooh, kinfolk, it's hot. You only 14 away from 10K. I look. I said, this Negro can't add. She can't calculate right. I'm 140 away. Yeah, I'm counting. I need them cheat codes. I appreciate everybody for looking at my Thanksgiving leftover videos. It did okay. It made me happy. I said, you either ain't adding right, or you got a cruel sense of humor. She tells me, I'm sorry, I didn't know. I say, well, don't apologize to me. You tell your math teacher to apologize to you. Okay? Okay? But I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay kinfolk. Bussin', bussin', bussin'. We got the trusted Coke Zero. You know what I'm talking about? Bussin', 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 bussin'. Say what up, kinfolk. Bussin', bussin'. It is what it is. You